this how to 1 minute will show you how to add a FTP-like file manager in your WordPress website to easily control your file manager files from your WordPress dashboard. First of all, we want to install a plugin. Hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here file manager and search for it. And this is the actual file manager we are going to use. So install this file manager and activate it. Once done, scroll down to this left-hand menu and here you will get WP file manager. Click on WP file manager to open your website file manager. And now here you can create a brand new account, but I'm going to clicking on no thanks to use this file manager without creating an account. And that's it. Here you will get your cPanel file manager. To open any folder, just click on this arrow icon next to the folder. And here you will get all of your WordPress content. Just go to WordPress content folder. You will get plugins, fonts, themes. Here you will get these tools. Using these tools, you can edit your files. For example, I want to edit this file, so I'm going to selecting this file and clicking on edit file. And here you can easily edit code. And to rename any file, select the file and right click on it and click on rename. And now you will be able to rename the file. And to delete any file, select the file that you want to delete. Click on this delete icon to delete. You can cut the file from here. You can copy the file from here. To download the file, click on download. And to view any file, select the file and click on view. And this is how we can easily add a FTP-like file manager in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.